Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we'll continue our advanced queries topics. Today we'll be working on compound conditions. Now, compound conditions basically when you want to connect two or more simple condition within one statement by using and or. So that is what we call compound statement. Now remember, when you connect your simple condition with the and operator, which means that the both conditions must be true or all conditions must be true to select the records, to retrieve the records and display on the screen. Similarly, when you are using or operators, means any one of the condition is true, then display the records. So remember, and all conditions must be true. In or, any one condition is true, then it will display the records. Then we have not operators. This is the reverse. If the condition is true, so not true mean it will be working on the false. If the condition is false, not false mean it is working on the true. So it will reverse the result of the original condition. Whatever is the condition, it will reverse. So let's see. Now we have a question. List or display the description. Description means the name of the item. Okay. Of all items that are located in the storehouse number 3. Okay. So I want to display all records that belongs to storehouse 3. And we have another condition as well, for which there are more than 40 units in hand. Okay, so number 1, I need to have a storehouse number 3, and the second condition is on hand quantity should be more than 40. So let's see and write the statement. Before we start the statement, let's go and see the item table. So if you see here, I am having like store number 3, you see here. So let me go and I can say I display store number 3. Now in this, I want to see on hand quantity. Do we have a quantity? Oh, there you go. We have on hand quantity. Should be more than 40. So if I say I want more than 40, so more than 40 is like 56. Oh, we have only one record, huh? So we should be getting one records actually. So let's go and run. Let me, no, I don't want to save the table. Create design query. Very good. Close this one. I want to go for the SQL view and I will write the query. Select description from item table. What is the condition where? By the way, small capital no problem, but it is good if you write the command words in a capital and other words in a small. That will be a good idea. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Storehouse is equal to 3 and what is the next? On hand is greater than 40. So if both conditions are true, then it will display. And we are expecting only one record. By the way, this is saying displaying only one record. If I say I want to display all columns, so I can just put star here and I can click on that, and you see that it's 56 and it is storehouse is 3, and so depending on what you want to display, you want to display one column or all columns. What is the condition? Storehouse is equal to 3 and on hand is greater than 40. So if you see both the conditions are true, this is true and this is true, then it will display. There you go. If this is true and this is true. But if I say I want to display the item, you see here, I have so many records, but only that record displays only that one that fulfill the condition. Okay, now example number 2. Display the description Yani I have to display the description of all items that are located in store 3 for which there are more than units, 40 units on hand, or both. Okay, now or both, yani either it is from store number 3 or it is more than 40. So let's go and see how much is the difference. Either store is 3, that is one condition, or on hand is bigger than 40, and I want to display description. So let me description, run it. MashaAllah. So we have 11 records. So either store number 3 or the quantity is on hand quantity is more than 40. Let me see the all records. So what I can do is I can put star here. So select star from item where storehouse is equal to 3 or so let's see if condition. So for sure 1, 2, 3, 4. We will show this record because this is 3 and this is more than 40. It will be displayed 5, 6, and this is again more than 7, 8, 9. This is 10, and this is 11. So we will see all record actually with this condition. So this was another example. Now let's see. List the description of all items that are not in storehouse number 3. Okay, so it means that it is going to display me 1 or 2. 1 and 2, not the 3. So let's go and display. By the way, I just want to display all columns. I don't want to restrict myself onto the description. So I want to display store is equal to 3, but I said not. So what will happen? Oh, I only got 1 and 2. You see that? So it reversed the condition. If I remove the not, I will only see storehouse is equal to 3. You see that? So let me go back again and say not. Means I don't want to see storehouse number 3. Not storehouse is equal to 3 means 1 and 2. There you go. Now I have another question. I want to display numbers, any customer number, customer name, and balance of all customers with greater than or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to 5000. When we have this kind of, when we have a restriction greater than 1000 or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to, so we do have, we will see this one. We can do this exercise example in 2 ways. So let's go and see how we can manipulate this part. So first of all, I would like to go for select customer num, then customer name, and then we have balance from customer. Okay, where balance is greater than or equal to 1000 and balance is less than or equal to 5000. Okay, so I'm using and. Let's run it and see what is the output. Oh, mashallah. So we got 5 records. So this is between 1000 and 5000. Very nice. So how many records? 5. So let's see. Let's try another way. If we have this kind of situation, then I can say we can use balance. I can say between, we have a word between. Okay, between 1000 and 5000, like that. So between 1000 and 5000 mean it should be from 1000 to 5000. And you see that? So same condition. Either you can go by greater than or equal to 5000, 1000 and balance is less than equal to 5000, or you can go with the between clause. That's it for today. Inshallah, you can try as much as you can from the homework, from these 18 questions. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll be talking about the calculated field. We'll be talking about some special operators like and in. We'll be working on the sorting as well. So kafara majlis subhanallah wa bihamdihi subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.